So OG mining is done and dusted on Satoshi app, and now the link of wallet address, the wallet address linking is now available. So today's video is about how to link your wallet address, the next thing to do, and the next airdrop to start mining from now. The airdrop that has already been confirmed by OpenEX in their Twitter handle. Just don't worry, I'm going to state it live in this video and for you guys to see. So what you have to do is to watch this video attentively, and if this is your first time coming to my channel, hey, welcome to ZBK Crypto. This is my channel. My name is Zubiking, and this is where I drop updates about new crypto projects that is going to make wave in the crypto space after the mining or the airdropping is done. So if you like the kind of content I drop, try your best to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, and join my WhatsApp group. So that you'll be getting updates before actually coming to YouTube. And likely, if you like what I'm doing on this video, please don't forget to drop a like. Yes, drop a like. It's going to motivate me to do more. And without saying much, let's dive into the main video. So a few hours ago, they made a tweet post on their Twitter handle. This is Griffith Shane, that is OG, the project that have OG. They made a tweet on their Twitter handle saying that the airdrop, that Satoshi app airdrop is wrapped. That means it's ended, just like we knew. So from today, you can submit your EVM wallet starting with OS through the app. For those of you wondering about the contract address, we will update you in the document after our second audit. So they actually say that we can link our wallet address, EVM wallet address. So if you don't know what is EVM wallet address, watch this video. I'm going to show you now. So the EVM wallet they're talking about is none other one than your core wallet address. So it's very simple. Go over. All you have to do is to add core mainnet to your network, to your MetaMask. If you don't know how to do it, go to YouTube. There are several videos out there. I would have shown you guys, but I'm trying to make this video as short as it can be. So try your best. Go over to YouTube, watch videos. It's very simple. Watch videos on how to add core network to your MetaMask. So once you're done with it, when done adding it, go over and copy your core wallet address. So click on this particular place and click on receive. Then you click on receive, copy it, and then head over to your Satoshi app. So here on Satoshi app, the next thing you have to do is to click on link wallet address and then paste the wallet address you copied from your MetaMask after adding core network to it, and then enter your asset password. So after adding your asset password, the next thing is to click on link OG wallet and then click on confirm. They're going to send you a verification email. So the next thing is for you to start your face verification, which I'm going to do and come back. Remember, while doing your face verification, don't do it in a dark place, don't cover your face and all these things. And remember that I'm going to show you guys the next airdrop, which is very valid and don't need to miss out. So stay tuned while I'm done with this. So after the face verification is done, click on link wallet and then confirm it. You will see that OG wallet running is successful. So mind you, you still have from now to 30th of this month. So network might be disturbing because over 5 million people are going to be trying their best to link their wallet address and do their face verification, which might be very bugging to the sites, and the face verification might be problem. So if it's not working for you, just calm down. Within any time in the month, just try it out. It will work for you very well. So the project I'm actually talking about, which OpenEX actually made a tweet about, is called Corekeeper. So I actually saw this project some weeks ago, and I thought it was one of these Telegram airdrop scam until I saw OES tweeted about it. So this is their main Twitter handle, and this is it. So let's go over to look for their airdrop post. And this is it. This is the airdrop post that says the Corekeeper airdrop is now underway. Corekeeper proudly announced its launch of Pioneer, blah 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 blah. So the whole thing is that they're actually doing their airdrop. And this is how the airdrop starts. I have done the airdrop already. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. So they say this is just, you know how Telegram airdrops going, do this, do that. So this is it. You will get 100 core for actually completing the project, which is, according to them, they says 100 coke, not core, 100 coke. Coke is the name of the token which they are dropping. So they say this core costs $50. So you are going to get 10 coke per each referral. So withdrawal is instant and fast. That is after you have gotten the minimum amount. So this is the task below. Join their Telegram group, their news channel, their sponsor channel, their Twitter page, developer handle, and all these things. So after doing it, you're going to submit details, join their Telegram group and all these things. After submitting the details, this is it. I submitted my Twitter handle, and then I submitted a Twitter post. They asked me to submit my core wallet address, which I did. They says, congratulations, King. Thank you for participating. You will receive 100 cook for completing task. To check your balance, please click balance option. Note, if you submit any wrong information, please start and submit correctly. So they says I checked my balance and I was having 100 coke. So you can earn extra 10 coke for each referral and request for withdrawal after you have reached 200 coke balance. So you save data, this and that and this. So this is it. So for you to actually participate in this airdrop, you need at least, I think, 5 to 10 referrals, which you can go over to Facebook, Twitter, and every other thing. The project is not that popular yet. Go out, try your best to participate in it. Go over to Facebook, make posts, screenshot the OES post about it. It will make people to understand and know that the project is real. So once you're done with it, go ahead and drop your own referral link, just like I'm dropping it in this website, in this YouTube video description. Just go drop it in your own post on Facebook, Twitter, or even anywhere you can get your WhatsApp, your referral. So try your best. You can even refer your family, friends, show them that the project is real. All they need to do is just to be your referral, join and do this and do that. Then you are done with it. So once you reach 200 coke, go ahead and try withdrawal. So for me, I'm not reaching 200 coke because I did the airdrop and I left it then until I found out that the project is real. So as for now, I'm going to go ahead and take it serious, and my next video about it is going to be my withdrawal update. And so now I says see you guys on my next video. I hope you guys go value from it. If you go value from this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and join my WhatsApp group for more updates like this. And with this I said see you guys on my next video. Remember, my name is King and this is ABK Crypto. Be peaceful and let's wait for our payday in airdrop.